Hello everybody, I got another board here I'm going to test. Looks like a small control board, very tiny one. I think I know what this one looks like from a wine cooler, I think. Oh yeah. Right off the bat, swollen capacitor. Yeah, it looks like from a wine cooler. It's pretty easy job. I'm going to check the fuse and swap all those diodes and the triac. Similar job what I've done a couple days ago. I guess they all have the same exact issue pattern. Okay, I just got another call here. Let me just... yeah, so the fuse is good. Yeah, so same exact problem. I'm gonna have to... let's see these guys. Are they good? Yeah, these ones are good. Sorry. I have to... yeah, so we have 4 diodes, 1 triac, 1 capacitor. Same thing. Let's test this relay. Yeah, the relay is good. Okay, I'm gonna place the order for those parts right away, and we'll get this one going too. Couple days it's gonna be ready. So just to recap, looks like those wine cooler controllers, they have similar problem. The diodes fail on them, and the triac and the big capacitor here, you see it's swollen. So that's all pretty much it for this controller. And you can see this little dark spot here by the diodes as well. See how it's darker here? I'll turn the... see? Yeah, so easy board, easy repair. I'll place the orders today and should be all good to go. And I think it's the same triac too. Yeah, it's exact the same triac. Okay, that was an easy one. I have a couple more to go, but I have an appointment coming up at 1, so I'll see if I can get another one, and then I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Take care.